Hello everyone, welcome to Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. And with our great tips, I'm sure you can overcome any maths obstacles that you face in no time at all. Today, you're gonna be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
Okay, here. Time, huh? All right. What is the time shown on the clock? This line is between 4 and 5. Haven't reached 5, but means still 4. Do you understand now?
4:50.
Because sometimes when it's like 4 o'clock, this shorthand will be here. Longer hand will be here. But as it move, Nico, as it move like that, this shorthand also has to move. Cannot stay at 4-1. But it has to move nearer the 5. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so in this case, as long as it's within 4 and 5, it must be 4 something, right? You know. And then every number, do you know, right? You know how to count in 5, right? Every number is 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You get me? 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Get it? Can you start counting for me? 25. Come. Then 30,
35,
35,
40,
40, then 45,
50,
50, 55, and 60.
60.
But you know 60 is a new timing already. Okay, Ken? A new hour, okay? Every 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. Do you know that? Yeah, in 1 hour, right? So if tuition is like 1.5 hours, how many minutes is there? Do you know?
30 minutes.
Huh?
30 minutes.
No, because see, 1 hour is 60, ma. Half an hour, I agree with you, lah. 30 minutes, lah. Yes, no. But then you have to add them together, right? Total will be 60 plus 30 will be 90 minutes. Get it? Now you understand, huh? Okay, that's time, lah. Okay, in this case, this guy is showing what? Can you tell me? It is definitely not 5, right? It hasn't.
4:50.
450, yeah, very clever. All right, 450. Hey, he tried to bluff it. 10:05, 10, right? This is a long hand, okay, again? This is called a minute hand. Okay, you know the minute hand? All right, this is the hour hand. Hour hand is a shorter one. It tells you, we start with the hour, okay? Then we only talk about the minute, get it? We always start talking about hours. So in this case, 4 o'clock, right? 4:50. Okay, come, let's move on to the next one then. Jenny woke up at 7:40. Which clock shows 7:40? Can you, before you do that, can you tell, this one? You say this one, number one? Do you say number one? But then you see, if you say number one, girl, don't be caught. This is 7, right? This one is pointing. Haven't even reached 7 yet. So number one is not 7:40, but rather what? In between the 6 and 7. It hasn't reached 7 yet. So number one is called what? You know?
6:40.
Yeah, 6:40 only. Not yet. Yes, no. So which is the real one?
Number 3.
Okay, number 3 is here. Yeah, it's past 7 and it is pointing to the 40, right? Because 6 is 30, 35, and 40. Yes, this is correct. Yes? How about you read me what is this time? Do you know?
7:20.
Yeah, wow, very smart, man. 7:20. So clever. This one? This one? Hey, have you? Hey, before you say 4, has it reached 4? You see, is haven't really reached 4 leh. Is it?
So 3:35.
Yeah, 3:30. If it's 4:35, it must be somewhere here. The 4 is coming to the 5. You get it? Get it? So it's like still not at the 4 yet. Can you see now? Okay, huh? So in this case, it's 3:35. Very clever. You know, if it's 4:35, the shorthand must be near the 5 already. Here haven't even reached the 4 yet. Can you see? Of course, not drawn very nicely, lah. Okay, okay, huh? So yeah, understand? 3:35. Okay, huh? Jack reached his office at the time shown below. What time did he reach?
9:05.
9:05. Yeah, you see, it's just past the 9 only. Can you see? See, this is 9, huh? Exact. You see, just past a little bit. I told you as the minute hand moves, the hour hand has to move. Okay? So just 9:05, right? Again, count again, count until you know. 5, 10,
15,
15,
20,
15, huh? 4 is
25,
20, huh?
30,
5 is 25, huh? 6 is 30. Then 7 is 35, 40.
40,
Okay, 8 times 5 is 40. 45, 50, 55. 11 times 5 is 55. Okay, it comes from like 1 times 5. This one comes from, because this number is 2, it comes from 2 times 5. Can you see now? This number 3, so the 15 came from 3 times 5. Can you see? And this number comes from 4, so 420 is 4 times 5. Can you see, huh? And so on, huh? So the timing of this is 9, what? Again? Which number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? 4. Yeah, wow, you put up a finger and show me. That's cool. Okay, again? All right. Next one. Alex, Betty, and Cindy, and then arrived at a party at different times. Who arrived at the party before 2? That means cannot be 2, must be earlier, okay? earlier, earlier than 2. Understand? Before means come early, like 1 something lah, 11 something lah, is before 2. So which one? What is this time? Can you tell me? Alex is what time? What time is Alex?
1:40,
Very good. How about Betty?
2:05,
Very good. You can tell the time already. Very, very good. Then see, you see, it's coming to 3, but yeah.
2:45,
Yeah. Okay. 2:45. Okay, right? This one, because you know why, girl? Haven't touched the 3 yet.
2:15,
Can you see? Hey, why we say 2? We haven't reached the 3 yet. Can you see now? Yeah. So okay, what is that? You want to tell me? 2 what? 2.
2:15,
Yeah. All of them lousy. Is it 2? 2. People want before 2. Can you see? So what's the answer?
1,
1. Yeah. Okay. Well, show me 1 like that. Okay. AM is like morning, you know. Okay, okay. Sometimes AM is like just past midnight. You know midnight? Yeah, you know midnight? You know midnight? They say all these ghosts come out at midnight, frighten people. You know it's midnight? When the clock strike 12 midnight. You know when Cinderella has to go home? She can go dance with the prince, right? Hello? But at 12 midnight, she must return home, right? Good. Do you know how to draw midnight? The clock, one short 1 point here. The long one also must point here. 12, 12. Get it? Can you draw that? The short one, draw 12. The long one also must draw 12. Get it? So, AM already, no? That's why when it is 12 midnight, it is called 12 AM. And then 1 a.m. Like when you're sleeping, the moon is out. The
AM.
moon is out. Yeah, it's a.m. The moon is out smiling. Nico is sleeping, right? The stars come out. All right? And then the moon has all the clouds, right? Nico will probably sleeping. Get it? There's 1 a.m. You understand? Okay. Then what time you wake up? What? For school? You go to early school?
7.
7 a.m. So late. The school is just opposite your house. Some people wake up at 6:30, because they have to travel. Do you know not? All this AM, although the sun haven't come out yet, but as long as it's dark and it's going to be dawn very soon, that means morning sun coming out, all these are AM. Do you know? Okay, so if you wake up 7 a.m. to go to school, and school is Majula Singapura or assembly with 7:25 or something like that, yeah, that means you must be staying very near school. You can reach the school so fast. It's not. Just walk over it. So good. You're so lucky. Some people have to travel very far to school. No? Do you know that? Huh? Oh, you're so lucky one. Okay, then 7 a.m. your school, Sing Majula, Singapura, and then you study, Study until what time? 12, 12 o'clock, but that 12 o'clock afternoon where it is very, very hot, Hello, the sun is directly above our head, 12 noon, right? 12 noon is called what? 12 p.m. Get it? So 12 a.m. is midnight. Understand? 12 p.m. is noon. Do you understand? Are you listening?
Yep.
Yeah. So like now it is 2:44 p.m. You don't say a.m. A.m. we are all sleeping. Yeah, no. Get it? Okay. Understand? Okay, come. So Tiffany starts jogging at 7. What do you think? Every evening. AM or PM? Evening. 黄昏时候.
PM.
Yes, PM. The sun's already about set already. So they never tell you, but they give you a clue. PM. So she end her jog when? At 7:30 what? Because she start
PM.
7:30 p.m. Yes, you see, she start at 7. Start. Okay, start where? 7:00 p.m. Then she run for 30 minutes. So it's 7.30. But the key is you must remember is p.m. and then p.m. You write a.m. You know what happened? She run until the next day. Right? Run throughout the night. Okay, she ends the job at 7:30 p.m. All right, that's correct. Then how about next one? After breakfast at the hawker center, Mrs. Bara usually does her marketing at 8:45 what? A.m. or p.m.?
AM.
Yes, a.m. 是早上 is a.m. Morning is a.m. All right, next one. Wei Wing went to see the doctor this morning. Give you a clue already. Not evening, morning. Morning is what? AM or PM?
AM.
Yes, morning is AM one. Okay. He waited for the clinic to open and the doctor attended to him at 9:30 what? AM, no, yes, very good. Okay, again? Yeah, because morning. Yeah, so easy, right? On Fridays, Martin goes to his badminton CCA at 2:30 what? After lunch. After lunch. Lunch is AM or PM? Lunch is AM or PM?
PM.
Yeah, PM. So 2:30 PM. Yeah. You do AM, you're all very sleepy, sleeping in a bed, the sky is dark already. Get it? Okay, draw the hands of each clock. The shorter one is the hour. Okay? The longer one, which is maybe the green color one, this is the minute. Okay, come on. So let's draw. You want to draw? Okay. 11 o'clock. So how to draw? You must be shorthand here.
Our hand 11, the minute hand at 12.
11, like that. And?
Done.
Okay. How to do? You done already?
5 o'clock.
This is like 4 o'clock. Last what time? That means she end at what? 4 o'clock plus what?
4 o'clock plus 30 minutes.
You know why? 30 minutes, 1个钟头, half an hour. Okay, what do you have? Okay, plus 30 minutes. How much? 4 o'clock, he start plus 30 minutes. What time did the lesson end? 4 o'clock, he start. Then he plus 30 minutes, right? So what's the time he end?
4:30.
Yes. Yeah, he end 4:30 lor. 4:30 p.m. Okay, the next one. How long John cycled from his house to the library? Here. He cycled from his house to the library. This is his house. Yeah, his house is here. He cycled from here and reached the library at 8:50. When he reached the library is here. Can you see? So how long did he take to cycle from his house to the library? What time is here? 8:20 a.m. he starts. He left his house and reached the library at 8:50. Right? He reached the library. So how long he cycle from his house to the library? You take what? 8:50 minus 8:20. You understand? How much is that? 8:50 to 8:20. Do you know how to count? Anyway, what is 50 minus 20? 30, right? That means you do 30 minutes, no? Oh yeah, 8:20, you go plus 10 is 8, 30, right? Plus 10 minutes. 8:30 plus 10 minutes is 2. 8:40. 8:40 plus another 10 minutes, 8:50. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So how long did he take to cycle from his house to the library? 8:20 plus 30 minutes. Do you understand why? 30 minutes long, I found for you already. Do you understand why? You need me to do again for you?
No.
No, okay. You understand, Okay. So John took how many minutes to cycle from his house?
30 minutes.
30 30 30. Okay?
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.